back to the racism, to the Muslim registry. The peaceful transfer of power. He did eventually, after the 5th or 6th time.
Not really.
But yeah, it's always sort of, oh yeah, sure, I'll guarantee that. But what about Antifa? What about this? What about that? And so I haven't even talked about all of those things. You add it up. This is a man, and you know this, would be an autocrat if he could.
Well,
would be a dictator if he could. You know that. You
accident. Damn, fuck this shit up. Damn, that sucks. Fuck. I told y'all that shit never fails. Always fucking accident out here.
Now that's the parking spot.
You're behind me. You're behind me. You're behind me. I have the right of way. You're behind me. You're behind me. I have the right of way. I have the right of way. You don't pass me in my lane. You don't pass me in my lane. It puts you on YouTube. And it gives, and it's for the police too. And for the police. You're gonna be.
You're not supposed to be in the road with that fucking dumbass scooter.
You don't think so? You don't think so?
No, you're not supposed to be in the road.
That's how ignorant you are.
You're ignorant.
That's how ignorant you are.
You're in the way.
I'm not in the way.
You're in the way.
I have the right of way. I have the right of way. I have the right of way. I have the right of way.
Go, because you're gonna get hit by somebody.
Oh, snap. Darn it. Oh, snap. Darn it. I tried my best not to hit that. This is the guy.
I'm doing my own little investigation here.
Alright. Now, do you remember seeing anything?
I saw it.
What was it?
Something that would be used to hold some sort of rope.
Okay, okay, yep. So, what you guys hit was a ratchet strap that was broke off from this collision.
Okay.
Alright, so it snapped off, rolled on the interstate, and y'all hit it. Okay? Basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this guy in this truck company write down his information and his insurance information and his company name and that stuff. And you'll use that form. I'll finish explaining it to you. You'll fill it out as well. Then you turn that form into your insurance company. Or you can just call your insurance company and just give them that information.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many cars back there was it? I remember seeing two more.
There's one just a little bit, National Guard guy.
Yeah?
And then two more behind that, with both flat tires, and then the one lady had
So how many cars total?
bumper, so three.
3 cars total, so you and 2 others.
No, 4 including me.
4 total. Okay. All right. Yeah, just hang tight. Let me see what I got going on here first, and then I'll get with you guys.
Right.
Okay?
Thank you. See, it's like your school bus ignores the move over law. How can you expect normal people to do it?
Alright, so this is the form. If your insurance needs something, this is the gentleman's name, the Georgia tag, that's the license plate number, the insurance information, and the gentleman's cell phone number. Basically, you just changed lanes into her. Didn't see her.
Okay.
So,
Alright.
yeah, that's all it is.
Okay.
Alright?
Thank you.
Alright, sir.
Appreciate it.
And don't forget, if you want your dashcam clip featured on a DCTV episode, you can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.